Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and we're doing another funky format video because we've got so many deals, no coupons needed, and you want to know because it's going to save you so much, especially with the kiddos getting out of school. And if you're new and you're just stopping by, well, you don't want to miss a thing. Not now, not all summer, not ever. So make sure you look below and subscribe and you'll get notified every time there's a new video, which is every day because I give you a daily deal and other ways to save. So go ahead and subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like it here later. But if you subscribe now, you really help the channel, and it's so important, and it doesn't cost you a thing. Matter of fact, it will save you some money. And of course, my crazy friends, all of you, please and thank you, leave a comment. Let me know what's going on for you in this new sale. Are you doing Pepsi? Are you doing Coke? You need some chips? I do have one request, and that's of new clarification on the instant savings and the store coupon laundry deals. So that's going to be in our next video. So if you're new to couponing, you might want to check that one out because DG's making a lot of changes and it's making our stacking a lot harder to do. So that video may help you out. And of course, you want to know. So like and share the video, leave a comment, and let the video play all the way to the end, please, including those ads. It's so important, and I love you bunches for doing that, and it doesn't cost you a thing. Alright, now, let's talk about these deals that you can do that no coupons are needed. Now, we've got several deals, and we've got some, well, we're going to have one or two coupons. But most of these deals, no coupons are needed. Now, we've got our sale, our new sale that starts tomorrow. And we've got videos coming up with deals with that, combining them with the deals that are already going on for a great Saturday scenario, because we'll be able to combine the sale and some of these other good coupons. Now, next order of business. Thank you, anybody who donated to the channel. I love you bunches. It's so helpful. I cannot stress my appreciation enough. Okay, I just can't voice it enough. Janet Jones, thank you very much for your thank you contribution. I truly appreciate it. And like I've said before, that really helps with the field trips, going back and forth, if nothing else. I'd love to give you field trips every day. I'd love to every video be a field trip. Maybe we'll get there. But thank you, anyone who donated with a thanks on the comments or went to Cash App and donated. And if you need that information, it's below in the description box, along with our channel address. So you might want to go ahead and copy and paste our channel address, and that way you always have it. And if you don't get notified, you go and check, because you know there's a video waiting on you. Now, first deal, no coupon needed. Buy two, get two free Lay's potato chips, but you're paying full price for them. So that's $4.25. So $8.50 for four is still an awesome deal. Now, we have, I don't know if it's in the ad, no coupons needed on 3 for 3 Power Aid or 3 for 3 Body Armor. And with grass cutting going on and summer about to hit, this is a great way to stock up, get them in your refrigerator. Now also, we have a store coupon still out there, buy one, get one free with the Coke and the Body Armor. And that will stack with that $2 Coke coupon. So if you still have that coupon, it will stack with the Coke coupon. Now, next. Now, if you don't do the Powerade, maybe you like Gatorade. The Gatorade is 3 for 4. Now, your first daily deal is going to be 4 bags of Lay's potato chips. let's actually switch over to the math page. That way you can follow along. We've got several soda deals going on right now, and we're going to utilize all those on Saturday, so be watching for the scenario videos, because there is so many of these soda deals that we'll be doing. So blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon.